Okay. Gonna zoom in. Gonna feed the baby bird.
Ow!
Oh, it's so hungry.
Yeah.
We're feeding it. Poor little guy. I'm taking video.
I'm trying. I got it wet because the other one was too hard for him to swallow down.
Okay. He's just a little baby.
Like, he was having trouble even getting on this.
Okay, I want to see how his mouth opens up when you go to feed him. Where's Mama? Oh, Mama. I mean the duck. Oh, poor little guy. Oh.
Fail. I'm sorry.
Oh.
It's kind of nerve-wracking. Things gonna bite me.
What are we gonna name him, Jordan?
Pipsqueak.
Pipsqueak? Okay, we named Pipsqueak. Oh, you gotta try it again. Gotta give littler pieces.
Sorry. Like this?
Yeah, that's good.
What? Oh, this isn't hers.
That's not a duck, honey. That's just a regular bird.
Fail. Failure. Oh. Oh, he was just knocked out of the nest somewhere.
Oh, come on.
It's right there. Wait, no. Barbie, you want to try?
No. All right, I'll try. Just don't get me in the shot.
Okay, you have to get it in the water first. It's soft enough. I know, but when you went inside, he was like kind of like choking on it. Oh, exactly. It is hard. Oh, fail. Not even looking at him. Oh, almost. He's like, that's okay. Keep trying.
He found a worm.
But doesn't the mommy chew it up for them?
There you go.
Yeah, but you can rip it into little pieces.
Well, go ahead, Brian.
Oh, he bit me.
See?
He bit me. It didn't hurt though.
It's like a little tickle.
There you go.
Pipsqueak!
Are you gonna rip it up for him? Oh, I can't watch. There's more bread though.
What?
Ew. Oh,
He's
shit.
like, feed me. Feed me.
He doesn't want the worm.
Well, let's put Mama's feet down. It's worms.
Yes. Maybe he wants it from either me or Barbie. Hold on. Here, Barbie.
I'm not touching that. I'll touch the worm. Here. Okay.
No.
Okay, Pipsqueak.
Oh, it's on his face. It's on his
Aww.
Oh, they got a worm on it.
He's hungry.
He wants it though. He just won't take it from B-Ryan. I wonder how he got knocked out of the nest or how he's down here. 'Cause he can't even fly.
I know he can't fly. We gotta help him. We gotta give him a box.
A little piece.
No, it's all squishy, Brian.
Well, yeah, it's a worm.
Oh,
Good
perfect.
job. Good job. We're feeding you, Pipsqueak.
Yeah, he can't be here because what if he falls?